Hello, my dear students. Now we are having 10th question of exercise. A wire of length L carries a current I along x-axis. A magnetic field exists which is given by B equal to B naught I k plus j k plus k k Tesla. Find the magnitude of magnetic force acting on the wire. Okay, so here if you want to represent this length vector, you can write this length vector L into I k because it is in x direction. Okay, now the magnetic force F vector is equal to I, okay, I L vector cross B vector, L vector cross B vector. Okay, so this F vector is equal to I, length can written as L I k, okay, cross the magnetic field can written as B naught into I k plus j k plus k k, okay, plus k k. So these are the scalar quantity. This I naught, L and B are the magnitude. Now we have to do the cross product of I inside this I k plus j k plus k k. So this I k cross I k will be there. Then after I k cross j k will be there, plus I k cross k k will be there. You can use the concept of determinant also, but it is easy to do the cross product directly, so directly we can use it. So this F vector will be I L B as it is, and this I cross I will be 0 because both are in same direction, but this I cross j is equal to kk, and k I cross k is equal to minus jk. Okay, so this magnetic force F will be, you can use here the cyclic rule. Okay, I cross j is equal to kk, but k cross I, so you have to move in opposite direction, that's why minus jk is there. So this I L B not minus jk plus kk, that much force will act. And if you want to find the magnitude, this magnitude can written as ILB, and the root coefficient of I, sorry, jk, so it is minus 1 whole square, and kk again it is 1 whole square, so it will become root 2. So the magnitude is ILB root 2. Okay, ILB root 2. Thank you very much.